Hi everyone, welcome to the Fat Lady's Firearm Journey. Well, here is our mat that we got to clean Smith & Wesson M&P shotgun, 12 gauge. And we got it at the shop or the store of the USCCA. We are a membership of them. And Lloyd will be cleaning his shotgun on this today. So,
Actually, I'm going to be installing
he's going to be installing a strap. That's right.
the sling.
Hold on a minute. We'll be right back. Okay. And we're back.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lloyd speaking. I just want to show you before we start working on this weapon that it is indeed not loaded and there is no ammo around. What you may or may not see in the background is empty shells. But as you can see here, it is not loaded. I want to give a brief overview of this shotgun. It's an M&P 12, and let me put it on safe. It has two barrels that hold 7 shells of 2 3/4 inch shells. It does also hold 3-inch shells, which it will hold 6 in each magazine and plus 1 in the chamber. So if you're using 3-inch shells, you get a total of 13. If you're using 2 3/4 inch shells, you're getting 14 plus 1, so 15. And you can also use the 1 3/4 inch mini shells, which you get 10 in each magazine. So that totals 20 plus 1. Now, this is how and where you load the magazines. And
There you can see in there now, everyone. See it?
If you need help or assistance from the gun because it's too heavy to push down in there, this right here is the helper for loading and unloading. This is how you actually unload the gun also. You can see I have a Sig Sauer Romeo red dot on here. This button is your magazine selector. Whichever side is protruding is the side that the magazine is selected for. So right now, this is the right side. If you push it, that makes the left side, makes it so the left side is the magazine you're operating out of.
Okay.
This is the release for the slide, for the rack.
Very cool. All right. What a sound, everyone. If I heard that in the dark, I'd run the other way.
And what we're going to be doing today is putting this sling on this M&P 12.
Okay, give me just a minute. And we're back.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be installing this QD to M-lock adapter so I can put the sling on this M&P 12. However, I have discovered that I have to take not the rail, but this piece that has the M-lock in it. I have to take that off in order to put these very small oblong washers on the back side of this connection. It does require sorry, ladies and gentlemen, it does require an Allen key.
Sorry, my finger was in the way, everyone. Here we are. Well, as he's working on that, everyone, I'd like to let you know that we've got a Patreon page, and check that out. We welcome you to subscribe and like and ring the bell so you know about all of our upcoming videos. Also, we've got Instagram, Facebook page, and a TikTok. So look us up, like our stuff. If you like it, let us know. Comment in our comments, and we love to read about them. So let us know what you like and what you don't like. If you want to see us do some stuff, let us know. We're looking into hoping, the weather approving, that we will get into some nice weather coming up so we can get out there and do some more target shooting and stuff. So, how is things coming there, Lloyd?
To be honest, not very well.
Oh no.
Apparently there's more to taking this off than I thought.
Well, we don't want to really keep everyone holding up, but I'm sure they like to see how this is done too. I think we'll pause for now and come back. That way you can see what we can do. See you back in a few. And we're back.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, to be honest, I couldn't remove this shroud from the gun itself just by pulling. So my beautiful wife mentioned the idea maybe that we need to disassemble the weapon in order to take that piece off. So that's what I'm going to do for you now. This is the same procedure that you would use if you were going to be cleaning it. I have the optic, so I had to remove the optic first. Then you turn it upside down, and right here under the handle is a little tiny key. You give it 1/4 of a turn and pull it out. Then you probably can't see down in here, but on the right hand side of the weapon is a small little hole.
Right there, everyone. Right there.
That this goes into.
See how it released that gap? There's a gap right there now. And that's what that just did.
Now, there's a button right here that I'm pressing.
Yep, we can see it.
Press and pull so it makes that gap wider. But then it catches on the tool. So you've got to remove the tool and pull it open further. Now you'll notice there's a really large gap there. Then you take the tool over here to where the pistol grip is, and there's a pin. It does not come out, thankfully. You press it all the way through, and now you can see that pin.
Yes.
You just pull it apart, and there it is in pieces.
Wow.
If you were going to clean it, you would remove the bolt just down here, and that would give you access to the barrel, and that's how you would clean it. We aren't going to clean it. We just need to figure out how to get this piece off of here.
This looks like we still have to remove this here.
And it looks like that's a pin because there's a hole that goes all the way through it.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Well, that don't work for it.
No, it's too, well, way too big.
Yeah.
It acts like it wants to come out, but it does not.
Well, guys, I think we're going to pause it until we figure out more from here. We'll be back.